Here we come to a second elevator at Union Station in downtown Dallas, Texas. This serves both the TRE and DART only. I think this is a Montgomery, but I'm not sure though. You hear a DART rail leaving. Listen to the bell. Oh wow, it is pitch black in here. The lights are literally turned off in this thing. And we got no fan, so we can hear the motor well in this one. Yep, this is the TRE and DART. Go for one more ride. This thing shakes a lot going down. All right, let's go back up to the platform. We'll end there. A lot better view in 4K mode. And there comes a DART train. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get on the train. So there it goes, and that's it.